talk about how can you fix this problem on your Toloka app. So all you have to do, so you just click here on settings here. So then it's going to take you to this list here. Then all you have to do, you just go down here. So you keep going down, then you click here on apps, then come to apps list here. Then here can you looking for Toloka app here, or just click here on search. So then it's going to take you to this here, and here can you add here Toloka app in search. So then it's going to show for you like this. Click on it, then it's going to take you to next step here. Click here on for stop, then you click here on OK. So then you go down, just click here on storage, come to storage list here, just click here on clear cache, then you just restart your phone and start it again, then it's going to work with you. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe.